Bean dregs is always used as good feedstuff ingredient. How steam dryer works for drying bean dregs. Today we come to the steam dryer working site to check the whole drying process. Whole drying process adopts multiple stage drying mode. First stage configured is Taida GZG steam tube bundle dryer to reduce moisture to 50%. Second stage adopts TDGD steam drum dryer. Temperature and residence time can be precisely controlled so that to guarantee product quality. After above 2 steam dryers, bean dregs moisture is reduced to 15%. Followingly, bean dregs enter post-air flow dryer for low temperature drying. Hot air of air flow dryer comes from steam heat exchanger. Finally, oversized products enter crusher, and qualified products with 10% moisture enter packing machine after screening and removing impurities. This production line has been working for 7 years, except regular lubrication and replacement of rotary joint every 3 years. No other quick wear parts. Customer is very satisfied with the drying effect.